Citation 0, Vector X-ray, traffic departure for citation.
Yep, Vector X-ray. Scottsdale Tower, Plata 711, Sierra Romeo, checking in with you at 5,700 with November for landing.
Plata 711, Sierra Romeo, Scottsdale Tower, Florida final approach speed, traffic following is citation 4 mile final, enter right base, runway 21.
Right base 21, and we'll extend the base and go to approach speed. Thanks, once from you.
November 1 Sierra Romeo, additional traffic off your right wing is a Cessna northbound 4,400, no factor.
No factor, 1 from you.
Citation 0, Tango Whiskey, Florida final approach speed, you're number 4 following a Skyhawk at the left, the right downwind, I'm sorry about that. Skyhawk 1 Lima Alpha out of the 360, you're number 3 following a Pilatus on a 2 mile final report on the site.
Number 3 following Pilatus, get it 1 Lima Alpha, and we request a full stop.
Roger.
Get up to Scottsdale Tower, mission 659 or 4,800 on extended left downwind, runway 21, cleared for the visual.
Mission 659 to Scottsdale Tower, make left traffic, runway 21.
Left traffic 21, mission 659.
Cessna 802, runway 21, line up and wait, traffic next runway is a Seminole 6 west of the field. Mission 659, we're able to parking.
659 going to...
Mission 659, exit left, taxi signature via Bravo, monitor ground point 6 today.
Alright, left, signature via Bravo.
Cessna 802, runway 21, clip takeoff.
Scottsdale Tower, Aviator 7's over Deer Valley on the practice RNAV 7 RNAV approach. We have November, we'd like 1 touch to go and then a full stop.
Aviator 7, Scottsdale Tower, and midfield right downwind, runway 21.
Midfield right downwind 21, Aviator 7.
November 05 Golf, caution intermittent parking stopping, runway 21, clip takeoff, fly straight out.
Scottsdale Tower, Aviator 42 is 8 miles to the southeast with November requesting full stop.
Aviator 42, Scottsdale Tower, and midfield left downwind, runway 21.
Midfield left downwind 21, Area 42.
Cessna 802, traffic no factor, contact Phoenix departure, have a safe flight.
On to departure, good day, DASNAIR 02.
05 Golf, Spark VFR.
Spark VFR, 025 Golf.